Greetings, Namaskar. This is Dr. Reena Pathak with the Thursday video. Today we'll do an adjective lesson, maybe a learning. So, which one is correct? We know the adjectives, but we don't know how to place them in sentences. We make some errors in the placement, and there is something which we need to remember when we use adjectives in our daily conversation. Now you see on the board, this side, it's written a red beautiful dress, and below that is a beautiful red dress. So there is something which makes us feel that one of them is a correct sentence, the other one is not a correct sentence. These things are not taught. They are told and assumed that we would put them in the correct order. So, actually, if you see, a red beautiful dress is wrong. A beautiful red dress is the correct combination for this sentence. Similarly, a steel large new knife and a large new steel knife. Both are telling the same thing, but the order is mismatched. That is why we'll have to understand that when we speak, one of the sentences seem off. They look mismatched. So, a steel large new knife is the wrong sentence. A large new steel knife is the correct sentence. Next is a blue cute toy. A blue cute toy is wrong, whereas a cute blue toy is the correct sentence. So we have to remember that when we use adjectives, we follow a particular order. The order is like this, which is written here in the center. That is opinion. That is it beautiful? Is it something which is tiny? You will write, sorry. If it is opinion, we'll talk about its being beautiful or dirty. That is opinion. Size, is it large, small, tiny, big, whatever the size. Age, as you know, it's new or it is old, whatever, or the age is given. Shape, we know, oval, square, rectangular, triangular, whichever shape. Color, we all know, blue, green, white, yellow. Origin, is it Indian, Italian, or it is made from Spain, Spanish. So, you would have to use that order. Material, is it wooden, steel, or just stuffed toy? It is material. And purpose is the use. What is it used for? So, if we break them into an acronym, it will come as OS. We must remember the order. Opinion, size, as, age, shape. And then we take as COMP, COMP, that is color, origin, material and purpose. So you will remember alls, as, COMP, and your adjectives will be in the correct order in your sentences. Now I have given you some thinking exercise. In the comments, please tell me what will be the correct order of this sentence. It may seem right, but it is not right. This is a large new wooden table used for dining. This is a large new wooden table used for dining. Now in the comments, please tell me the correct order of this sentence using the acronym OSAS. I hope now adjectives will be easier in use for you. Take some time, think over this sentence, put numbers in the correct order. You can put, I'll do number 1 for you so that it becomes easy for you. This is a large new wooden table used for dining. So it's a large new wooden table used for dining. So what is something which you will put it as number 1? And today is Thursday. When you are watching this video, don't let the midnight clock strike 12. Before 12, if you do this, I'm sure you are going on the correct path in the use of adjectives. Bye. Take care till Saturday. Thank you.